What's up, guys? Good afternoon, mga kapuso. I'm so excited to be here in IGMA live chat. Of course, I'm Raymond Gutierrez, and I'll be happy to answer your questions this afternoon. So ano pang hinihintay natin? Magsimula na tayo. Chat na. Are you really excited for being a host of Pinoy Idol? Siyempre, sobrang excited dahil this is the #1 show in the world, diba? What does it take to be a host? It's about just connecting with your audience, making sure that you enunciate your words properly, and you also have to read up on current events. Pinoy Idol is your biggest break, correct? I would have to say, correct ka dyan. Because this is actually the first show that I'm hosting alone. From CatHeart07, hello po, makapalabas po ba sa States ang Pinoy Idol? Good news for you, Cat, because yes, it will be shown in GMA Pinoy TV in the US. Hindi ba si Ryan at si Simon laging nag-aaway sa American Idol? Kayo ba ni Wingard mag-aaway din? Sana po ay hindi. Ayoko siya maging kaaway. But right now, we're gonna take a breather from all the chatting and we're gonna play a game called Raymond Reveals. Now, nakikita nitong fishbowl na to. This includes an incomplete sentence regarding a person that will pop up on that screen. Para na rin to see my different relationships with different people. Ito na. Let's start. The last thing Blank and I fought about is Julina, never. Julina and I never disagree on anything. This person is my si Sweet. Nakakatawa to eh. This is my clown. Si Sweet. My favorite bonding moment with Blank is with Pia when we do a recap of all the crazy things that happens in show business. What people don't know about Blank is nagat ka, Chard. Masungat sa umaga. Blank and I love to blank together. My mom. Talk on the phone together. What is the worst chismis you or your family has ever been through? This week? What are the pros and cons of having a twin? Pros, you automatically have a friend. So when you transfer to a different school, may kasama ka na, may kausap ka na someone's feeling the same way as you. Cons, lagi nila akong tinatawag na Captain Barbell before. Sino sa inyo ni Chard ang mahilig kumanta? Ako. Parang kaming frustrated singer. Actually, last time kami nag-karaoke together was the victory party of BFGS. Kumanta ako, kumanta si Chard at si Marian. Magaling pala boses ni Marian. Who among Richard's girlfriends do you most approve of? Another controversial question. Lahat naman sila, okay. Should I name them all? The last one was George. She's pretty fun. I'm still friends with her. Do you have a showbiz crush? Ann Curtis. She knows. She's very much aware of it. Who is your dream interview? My mom. No. It's gonna be a nightmare. Tinanong na sa akin yan before, and my answer before was Sharon Cuneta. Just because it's gonna make my life so much easier. Because she talks so much and she has so many kwento and stories na hindi kayo mauubusan sa pag-uusap. So locally, I think it has to be Sharon. Thank you guys for chatting with me. You are all awesome. Maraming salamat sa IGMA, syempre, for giving me this opportunity. First time ito at napaka-fun pala dito. Hindi ko na nga nakain yung snacks dahil sa kakakwento ko sa inyo. And I hope this is not the last. Thank you.